My name is Stella Vnook, and I'm the CEO of Likarda. Well, I'm really excited about what Likarda has already accomplished and where Likarda is going. So, what we have been focusing on is our animal health type 1 diabetes asset that we successfully have partnered, and we're looking forward to seeing a first type 1 diabetes islet cell in dogs soon within this year. We're going to continue to expand our focus in cell therapy and continue to encapsulate beyond CAR Ts and CAR NKs and taking more solid tumor focused therapies to advance how they perform on solid tumors. We're also going to see a lot more of large molecules and small molecules encapsulated utilizing our platform. We had very successful two projects last year and the molecules have done really well. So we plan to see a lot of proteins and hormone therapies into the future years for Licarda. So I think for the industry overall, it's going to be an interesting challenge. Regarding cell therapies, I would love to see more cell therapies come to market. However, we need to be very mindful of manufacturing scalability. We have to be very mindful of logistics and transportation, which is again why Licarda last year took a stand in being able to transport these sensitive therapies only on dry ice. We're going to see a lot of capabilities in scalability and how we're able to deliver drugs that are cost sensible because a lot of the investors are now looking not just at cell therapy targets but also how commercially viable the products will be and whether payers are going to pay for them. So we're going to see a lot of discussions not just in pre-clin and the primary secondary indications but also about commercial viability of the products.